Yes. So first, I will go through 5 to 10 minutes in what I am going to teach, Miss, for whole course curriculum. In that, after that, I will start first session, that is introductory session for AI. So yes. So first we will cover introduction part of the AI, means what is AI, why AI, where is AI, like that. And after that we will cover because for AI, Python is most important language. So we have to cover Python, means basics of the Python, just like data types and conditional statement and function. Then after we will cover those tools, those libraries which will be used in AI, just like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and C1. So don't worry about that if you don't know the that library and all. We will cover slowly, and you will grasp all the things by the time. So after that, we will start machine learning, is main part of the AI. You can say basic understanding, and then we will start implementing the all the algorithm related to machine learning and implement it into the project also. Then we will understand all the algorithm concept. And so after the machine learning concept, we will try to understand deep learning concept on top of machine learning, and we will try to incorporate also into the application part. So yes, further we will cover the NLP, means text data. Then in last we will discuss more about generative AI. So this will be course curriculum. So if you don't know any word or any topics, so don't worry about that. Well, we will cover one by one and each and every term and everything. And we will try to implement into the coding also. Okay. So I think we can start from introductory part. So in introduction, what is my approach to teach? My approach is you have to question 3 to 4 things. First is why. Whatever you are studying, why you are studying that thing, and what are you studying, and last thing, how you are studying, means how to do this thing, and last part is where it will be used. Means this question, if you are asking, everything will be covered for that particular topic. So if you are considering why, means it will tell you why this topic is importance. It will tell why question will give you importance about that topic, and what will tells you is definitions, concept, everything, and how will tell you how you can implement those concept into the reality, means into the programming, into the real life problem. And in last, what are the areas, what are the domains where you can use this concept. So this is my approach for each and every algorithm, and for each and every topic I will follow these 4 questions: why, what, how, and where. Okay, so I think intro got this. And yes, the way I teach, first conceptual part, then how we can use it in real life application, then later we will use try to implement those things in the coding, means do the project and all, and last I will try to sum up all the things. Okay, so so for introductory part, I will again go into that way only: why, what, how, and where. So first part is why AI, means why we should study AI, why we can use the AI, means like why question for every related to AI. So why, anyone want to answer for this question? Okay, I think why you are studying AI. Anyone wants to answer? Okay, so no. So just think about that. In real life, already our life is going on from before 20 years ago also. It's normal way. If we want to solve any problem, we will try to miswrite the code for that. If any real type problem we want to solve, we will write the code and it will give take input and it will give output. That's simple. Why AI came into the picture? Suppose our data is very big. Big data means in millions. If we have a data, just like nowadays we have a around 140 crores of the people. If we want to analyze our population data, it will be very difficult to analyze by normal programming, coding, and all. So, how AI will help into that? So, for the sample data, it will be model will be we will develop first model and we will train the model. Then it will again, if any new data means any type of problem we want to solution for that new type of problem solution, then it will give automatically. Means why? Because it learns. So yes, how why we want to learn the AI? Because it automate the task. Okay. So second thing is in as compared to normal programming, just like a competitive. Just a second. Call. Getting call. Sorry. Okay. How it will improve the efficiency? Earlier, we are using one by one procedural programming to solve the problem. So it takes time. It takes more and more data. So it can't help in that much to improve the efficiency. But nowadays, we have a model. If any new data is coming, we will just give as an input. It gives finally output a result. Okay. So yeah, so these are the things, three things I mentioned here. First thing is automate the task and it will improve the efficiency. Third is if we have a very complex problem, then also AI can learn the things and make the prediction. Okay. And yes, you can see as my screen how we are in everyday life, how we are involved to the AI. So if we are not learning AI, we will lag, means we will not able to go with flow. Just like if we want to take in banking and finance sector, we are using AI. Just like in finance, just like if we want to make balance it for any data, just like in stock market product prediction, we are using nowadays AI. If you are taking vehicle recognition, identification, nowadays if you are aware about that, if you are going to the toll nowadays, it's taking a picture of your license plate, it again recognizing your license plate, and automatically your toll will be given to the government. Toll tax is given to the government. No need to stop and give money, and they are giving noting down the your license plate number nowadays. So there we can use computer vision field will be used there. So in the healthcare system, you can see nowadays a lots of disease can be solved by robots only. Means they are doing surgery nowadays, and with the help of analysis, means computer vision field is there in AI, which will use the AI to solve the lots of with the help of lots of data, just like X-ray screening. Through the data, it will predict which disease is there. Just like now, I think 2 days ago, I have seen one news just like related to breast cancer. Now AI model can predict very fine key how much accurate breast cancer is there in humans. So yes, in healthcare, every sector, not for one disease, for every disease nowadays, AI is involved to analyze the things and predict that which disease is there. So just like in navigation nowadays, we are using in map also which is the shortest route in the for that particular destination. If we are searching for any destination, it will give us shortest path. So it is not done by any procedural program. It is done by AI only. That will come under the clustering technique you will study in machine learning. So in the same again, if you are studying about agriculture, in agriculture, have you seen that the videos where If in USA they are using computer vision models and techniques with the help of cameras, AI enabled cameras, which is detecting which disease is there in the any crops. Means leaf of the crops will decide that any disease is there or not. Of any just like fruit is going becoming you can say any disease affected, so it will detect with the help of AI enabled camera, and it will tell ki these are the diseases happening in the crops and all. Like that technology are used with the help of AI. So if you are going for media streaming, then also again AI is improving the media streaming. Nowadays you can see you are writing the that key, I want image which have a home like environment and person should be this like that things. If you're searching, it is giving with the help of generative AI, it is giving you that type of media. Again, in security and surveillances, nowadays my company is totally based on security and surveillance things. Means what we are doing, we are making the one those type of camera which will secure your premise. Means with the help of AI, if any unknown person is coming to your home, it will trigger the alarm. The unknown person came. Any unknown vehicle is coming to your home, it will trigger the alarm that it will detect, and it will tell you any unknown guy, any unknown vehicle came in to your premise. So in that we are now, have you seen in your phone also you are using just like in your phone only you are using lots of AI. Just to open your lock, you are using face recognition system. That is AI, computer vision. Okay. So in e-commerce, again, we are using, you are looking that all the time, whatever you are searching on Amazon, Flipkart, same type of articles or objects are posted to you, means recommended to you all the time. So in video games, AR and VR, in that it is used AI. In social media terms, nowadays from last 1 month I'm looking that in WhatsApp only they are giving option of meta. Now we can search directly whatever questions we want, it will give us, chatbot will give us answer in a few seconds only. Again, in social media everywhere, means not only WhatsApp, but Instagram, Flipkart, sorry, Facebook, everywhere. Yes. Okay. So yes. So with our daily life routines, everywhere is now AI is there. So it is very important to understand AI, how AI works, what is AI, how we can utilize AI in our own life, how we can make our life better with the help of AI. Because if we are not using, we will lag in technology and we will go back. Means people will go ahead and we will be looking, everyone is growing, I am not growing. So if we are not learning AI, we will stopping us to grow. Okay, so this is related to why we are studying AI. I think my message is conveyed. So any question till now for this? So if there is no problem, if you don't want to fill in call, you can text also. There is no problem if you have any question or doubt. Because I like to do sessions in the interactive way. Because if you are not interacting, I'm not able to understand you are understanding or not understanding. So any question till now? Okay, we will go ahead. So this is related to why. Now what? What is AI? What is the different type of AI? Okay, anyone can define AI. I will not put it this one. So first of all, be frankly and ask me. And another thing is, if my communication and the way I am communicating is it okay? Everything is okay. You are understanding my pronunciation, communication, everything.
Yeah, it's good. We can
Okay.
understand. Yeah.
So anyone want to define AI? What little bit? What is your opinion about AI? Okay, no problem. So whatever here sector I have mentioned na, in around 10 sectors means where we are using AI, we will see all the examples and all application. We will try to develop the program for them. So in when we will start proper machine learning, deep learning, we will use and we will try to implement those things also. Okay. So okay. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence means that intelligence which will try to mimic the human. Human means just like copy of the human. There may be chance it is currently it is in progress. It is not fully developed ki we are able to develop replicate the humans. Whatever humans can do, a machine can do. So it is a system, means it is a machines, or it is a system which can mimic the human in all way, just like in a learning and in speech, in cognition way. Cognition means understanding, thinking process. So in all we have five senses. In all five senses, our machines are able to replicate us. It will be learned in the AI. Okay, to solve the real life problems with the help of patterns, with the help of data, that comes under the AI. Okay, so here definition is written, you can learn or anything. Just I will teach you in this way, ki understandable way, not in just mugging of the definition. Okay. So this is the AI, and what is machine learning, deep learning, and Gen AI? So these are the sub part of the AI. Okay. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is subset of the AI where we use the algorithm to take the data set and train onto that and give the outputs. It may be it is a labeled data, means like, okay, I will give a little bit example. Suppose if you have a lots of book, if you have a book data, just like if you consider, just like in Bangalore there is a library. There lots of book is there, and if someone wants to know, hey, how many persons are interested in comics, so who is coming and taking the those type of books, and who is relatable books are studying, like that things. So with the help of, we will develop one algorithm. It will fetch those type of data. How many person read comics books? Which type of comics book they are reading, and what are the persons who is not reading the comics books? Like the counts. It will fetch the data, take the data, means collect the data. On top of that data, it will train the model. Again, if you are asking for any new person, hey, this person should be recommended for comics books or not, with the help of his habits, like liking for the books, we can predict. Okay. So in machine learning, supervised and unsupervised learning, this is three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised. Okay, we will go into that depth. So yes, till now anything. Any question? Okay. So again, deep learning is subset of machine learning. How? Suppose our data set is very big. If our data set is in lakhs, then it is okay. Machine learning can handle. But if our data is in millions, so at that time, machine learning somehow it is not possible to solve that problem, that type problem. So at that time, deep learning is required. What do you mean by deep learning? It's a no, nothing but deep learning is a concept came into the picture when researcher want to replicate human brains. Just like in human brain, nerve system is there, and our every node is connected, means every neurons is connected to each other. How any information flow like that, they want to develop a model which will work like that, means there will be node which will tell us about cells, there will be nerve that will be as a layers. So in this time it just try to replicate the human brains, that type of architecture came into the picture, that again term as a deep learning. So in deep learning, again, I think if you heard about that, computer vision, ANN, CNN, artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, RNN, recurrent neural network. So neural network term is neural, just like human brain, we have a neural networks. So again, deep in the deep learning, we will understood the neural network. Okay. So again, generative AI. Nowadays, generative AI is used a lot. Means in market, if you are looking at Chat GPT, Gemini, Bard, like that, lots of generative AI tools are coming in nowadays in market. So what is the meaning of generative AI? In name only you can see their application is generate the data on the behalf of input. Just like in ChatGPT, we search, hey, what is the right code for this for to some two numbers? What should be the Python code? ChatGPT will give us answer. How it is giving? With the help of generative AI model. How generative AI model works? It already trained on millions and millions data, which is from Google resources. And again, with the help of those data, it gives us result in a few seconds. So generative AI, we can nowadays you can see in for text data, image data, for code input, output like that. Okay. So this is briefly. Once we will go into more depth, when we will pick machine learning, deep learning, again generative AI, then we will go into depth. What are the algorithm there? What are the concept there? How any module can be used in Python for this algorithm. So So here you can see what is the history of the AI. When AI came into the picture and what is the status of now. So first time when Alan Turing is doing a one test, Alan is a scientist who is doing the Turing test. Means Turing test means it was a cognitive test for the humans. Like he's asking question to the machine and sorry machine and the humans without knowing to each other ki he is asking to both of them same question and they are giving answer. So at the time he found with the help of model training and all, he got computers which he have trained, he is giving more accurate answer. So in that time intelligence came into the machine first time. After that, this is the first time when AI came into the picture, that is 1956, when John McCarthy introduced in one conference AI term. It was introduced in 1950s only, but artificial term came into the picture is in 1956 by John McCarthy. So after then again growth have been also just like lots of research have been growing going on, just like on text data, image data, time series data, and things have been developed. You can see here chart like that things have been like here you can see nowadays series Alexa. I think you're aware about that Siri and Alexa. It came into 2011, 14. So nowadays, where we are after passing through the normal intelligence into the machine from in 1950s, nowadays in 1990s around we got machine learning into the picture. Means around 1990s, machine learning was used by most of the researchers. So at the time in 90s, machine learning used by most of the thing. Then again around 2010, after 2010, deep around 2010 or yes, okay, 2010 around deep learning also more popular and all. Then again in 20s, AI, Gen AI came into the picture. Means like that you heard Chat GPT and all. Now vision part of the AI is more famous. Now we with the help of text we can generate any type of image. If you are searching, hey, just give me picture of Narendra Modi in this way. Means he is wearing something and he is in beach or anywhere. So Gen AI will that tool will give us that type of picture. Okay. So any question till now? So till now, why we are studying, what is the importance of AI? And after that, what is AI and what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is Gen AI? And after that, we understood what is the history of when it was started and now what is the condition, means where we are. Now we should categorize the AI. So currently we are in the phase of ANI, means artificial narrow intelligence. So most of the research our is going on to for no, artificial narrow intelligence. There is three type of AI. It is categorized on the behalf of capability of the AI. Artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. So what is artificial narrow intelligence? Because first of all, it is categorized on the behalf of capability. So in narrow intelligence, what comes just like Siri, when we are asking any question, Siri will give the answer. Just like chatbot, any type of chatbot comes into the ANI. Any whatever machine learning models are there, those are coming to the ANI. So yes, and whatever deep learning also that will also come into the ANI only. Yes, in what will be coming means any type of problem which can be solved with the help of data and rules that comes under ANI. When machine when we are able to replicate the machines totally with the humans, means whatever humans can do machine can do. Nowadays it is not possible that machines can do whatever humans can do. In cognition, some of the area where machines can't do, means in what way we can think machines can't do that much level nowadays also not 100% accurate they are doing nowadays, just like you can see the example in ChatGPT. Whatever we are asking, just like thinking process also we are asking, ChatGPT is responding to us. But in somehow there is a you can see on ChatGPT, on top of it it is mentioned don't believe 100% because it is a model. It maybe it is what it was trained on some data. There may be chance it will be not correct. So it is not, we are not able to replicate totally 100% in every area. So AGI means totally replicating the humans. And last part is artificial super intelligence, means when machine will beat the humans, means machine will be more intelligent as compared to humans. So research is going on to that part. Still, we have not developed that much level of model and machines. But yeah, in artificial general intelligence, somehow we have covered, not that much, but we have up to certain levels. So yes, this is the hit of AI on the behalf of capability. Okay, so what question and in what term everything will come? I'm just putting some examples of here, Miss. What is AI? What are the types of AI like that? If we are going to depth, what are the data types? Miss machine learning. In machine learning only, we will understand supervised and supervised NLP. Miss where Miss if we have numerical data, what type of machine learning we will use? If we have text data, what type of machine learning we will use? If we have image data, video data, time series data, if we have a this data, what type of machine learning we will use, what type of deep learning we will use. Lots of question is there, we will cover into next upcoming lectures. So yes, what is this, what is AI? I think you understood little bit. So any question for now? Okay, I think not, no question. How this is possible? There is no question. Either you understood 100%, either what is the reason? Because questions should come in your mind. Because if I am just telling and you are listening, so there will that will be, I think, not a right process. Anyone, any question? First of all, you are there. Yes, any question, Mohammed? Okay, so we can move. So yeah, why and what question is completed. Now how is how AI works. So any input, I want input from here. Anyone knows little bit how AI works? Please, little bit, at least 1 to 2 lines. Tell me how AI works. Yeah. Gomti, any hello? I'm audible or not? I'm not understanding. You guys are not replying.
You're audible.
Yes. Gomti, can you brief little bit, miss, whatever your opinion related to AI, miss how it works?
So it will get the data, and
Okay.
then that is the input. And the next step is decide what to do with the data, whatever things we are given, asking to do for us to add or
Right. You are on right track. Yes.
yeah.
What is your opinion, Mohammed? Little bit, we have to enter. Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Actually, what AI does is that we will be collecting the historical data from the past for about we will be having various historical data which we will be collecting from the past, and we can actually predict the future as well, what outcome it could give according to the data which is being previously analyzed by its pattern and its trends. We will do a various analysis part. We will do data collection, data pre-processing steps, and after that we will be giving a suitable algorithm to predict a particular model as well. And that way AI works.
Yes, right. Nice. Okay. So first of all, I will compare with AI machine and how normal machine work. Machine in term, you can say machine, you can say system, you can say code, anything. So how any normal machine works, it will give a input and it will process and it will give output. Yes, it will take input, process it, and give output. Normal machine works in this way. Normal code work in that way. You can say machine. If I'm using machine word, don't go by mechanical machine. It's for everything. Okay. And how AI works, only there is a change between processing time, processing period. It will take also input, but normal machine will have the rules and it will process and give the output. But AI will do what? It will learn the pattern from the input data and update it will update his own, and so that in future if it is getting any new data, it can result for that data. This is the difference between normal machine and AI machine. It will be trained and it will tweak own self on the behalf of data and method. Okay. So for normal procedural programming, we use input data and method to predict output. For AI system, we use AI data along with output so that we can predict method. If we are predicting method, next time it will predict for new data, it will predict the result. Okay, we will see. So you can see data inputs can be any type. First of all, we will go into depth. What are the type of data types? What are the data types? Means numerical data, image data, text data, all type of data we will use. In depth also we will understood what are the numerical data available. Means if there may be chance you have heard about that continuous data, discrete data. In continuous also there is different type. In discrete also there is different type, ordinal and nominal data. Okay, so these are the data types. First, machine will take data input and then it will process. Means in processing part, what are the things came? Algorithm and rules. What do you mean by algorithm? It is just a set of rules. Okay, so it will interpret, predict, act. You can see the terms, and finally it will give output. Output can be anything, success, failure, or any type of data, means any type of result. Okay, this is the three things which can be done by normal machine. But what in AI works, again, it will take, it will give the feedback. You can see it will take assessment role. Means assessment role means it will analyze the things and do analysis and giving feedback on the behalf of feedback. Again, our methods, I think if you know the term that is called weight in machine learning and deep learning, in AI term, that term is called weight. Okay, so weight will be tweaked. Means weight is nothing but, you can say, if you are going to depth when we will start machine learning, then you will understand weight. First of all, here you understood, just like method will be tweaked. Tweaked means changed according to the feedback. Sorry. So method will be changed according to the feedback. Then again, after changing the method, again it will update for the that particular data. Again, our method will be new. If something again data we will take, again it will give different output. Now it will be again go for assessment. Assessment means feedback in feedback loop. In it will give feedback that hey, how much accurate our output is. Whatever level we have, uh, how much accurate from that level. So on the behalf of this, with comparing the labels, means outputs, how much my output is correct as compared to ground truth. Ground truth is nothing but which is given by users. So in this way, how my prediction is accurate as output is there, means output is there, means what is ground truth. So on the behalf of that, feedback will be given to weight means methods, and it will update his own. So this is the way how AI works. Taking input, learn the feature. If I am talking in the term of little bit terminology, taking the input, learn the feature, and finding the errors. And after finding the errors between, you can say that comes up with a objective function. We will see objective function that will define errors, how our output is different from ground truth. Then again it will update our weight, our method. Then again it will learn. So this is the cycle how AI works. We will see in each and every algorithm. This is the method how it works. How any we will do any project, any machine learning project, any deep learning project in this way only. Only what will change? Data types will be changed, method will be changed, and our output will be changed according to that. Okay. Any doubt for how AI works? I think both of you are correct only. Only thing you didn't added how it will update its own by feedback system. Okay. If there is no question, we can go ahead. Okay, I think if you want, do you want a break for 5 minutes or 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Okay, no problem. We will take 5 minute break. After that, we will start where AI will be used. And in last, we will understood what are the ethical consideration into the AI. Okay, any response from your side? I want to respond. You want a break or not? Okay, no problem. Just give me 5 minutes. I will take what then we will go. Okay, 5 minutes. And you can also do. Hello. Hello. Yes, Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gumti, are you also there? Means we can start. Hello, Gumti. Gumti didn't reply. So I think Mohammed, this session is little bit, you can say, mm, boring in the term of not doing anything. Just I'm conveying the message and you are just listening, listening, listening. Because this is not a best way to learn anything. If you are learning in this way, if you are doing also along with that, this is the best approach to learn something. So in upcoming lectures, we will, when we start machine learning, at that time we will see the proper algorithm and we will apply through the code, and then it will be more interesting. Here we want to understand, we want to feel what is AI first, where we can use, why we are understanding, why we are learning, how it works. Because if we want to learn something, we have to understand why I'm understanding. It will be useful for me or not. I think, Gumti, if you are returned, so we can start.
I have joined, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So, yes, where AI will be used. I already told in why question section is what is the importance of AI. At the time, I mentioned that what are the sectors where we are using AI. Here, I want to go little bit more depth one by one, means where AI can be used, where AI can be not used, where AI we are using nowadays. Okay, in whatever sector here I have mentioned, can you tell me any examples you are already aware? Any input from your side where you know already AI is used in any sector? It's with taking examples. I'm not talking like that. Here it is used. Okay. No problem. I'm starting. So I will start from first finance, because finance is very important. So in finance, also lots of AI tools is there, and we are using in different way AI. Just like for in finance, stock market prediction, as you are already aware. Nowadays, with the help of time series model, we are trying to predict future price of the stock. We will see forecasting model. In that, we will understand the stock market prediction. Again, in finance, if we want to understand the balance sheet means in cash flow of the any company. For that, if you want to predict what will be next upcoming month income or revenue for that particular company, again in that fine AI model will be used, just like machine learning model. With the help of you can say, we will understood classification model into the machine learning. There we will use. And in finance, if you want to understand more, so have you heard about chatbot related to EMI calculator? It's taking input from text data and calculating on the behalf of all financial statement, gives the result. So in the finance sector, everywhere, if you're talking about stocks, if you're talking about any company finance management, if you're talking about personal finance management, if you're talking about any related to any finance sector, there is AI. Okay. In gaming sector, nowadays, have you heard Meta means I'm not talking about Facebook name is Meta Quest 2, AR, VR. Nowadays, we are using means a lot computer vision field into the gaming sector. With the help of object detection model, object recognition, localization, we are using very creativity in the gaming. Just like here, I have already Meta Quest 2. So in that, what I have seen, if I'm wearing that glass and if I'm going to play one game is Avenger, in that I'm just feeling that how sensor and cameras are detecting us so that it will give me perfect size of suit for Avenger. Means there is no misalignment of the that particular suit, and I can play whenever my body movement, whenever my hand movement, every gesture movement, it captures perfectly and it is working. How it is possible? With the help of computer vision, and computer vision is a subset of the AI. Computer vision is a field of deep learning. Yeah, we are everywhere. In astronomy also, astronomy is just like a prediction only. In astronomy, we are studying astrophysics and we want to explore more and more planets and atoms there. For that, data will be in big billions, in billions. So to do analysis, billions of data we can't do with the help of procedural method. We have to use machine learning, deep learning. So there is a lot of scope in astrophysics with the help of AI. Just like in NASA work and all, they are using AI for to do analysis black hole. For every means every planetary system, they are using the AI. Okay, so in health sector, just like I have taken already examples, and in health sector also you can see whatever CT scan is nowadays. Earlier, what is happening? Doctors, every decision is taken by doctors only. They are doing the CT scan and they are looking the chart and everything. They are making decision that oh, this person have this type of problem. But nowadays, what is happening? Once you can see in MRI machines, MRI machines will take all the your CT scan of your body and it will tells proper exact points where it means defects is there, and it will tell us what disease it should be. After looking the CT scan results, we can predict with the help of AI model what is the which disease is there. And in sector also, you can see in healthcare system. Nowadays, if someone don't have a legs, we have a artificial legs which can replace the our legs. And have you heard about heart? Means artificial heart. Means it will means its heart rate will be according to our, it adjust our body system in such a way. If I'm running, how much fast our heart should pump, how much fast it should beats. See how it syncs with our body system. It will help. It is help with the help of AI only. So in healthcare, every sector, if you can say for strengthening mechanism or finding the disease, everywhere AI is used. So now in transportation, you can see, I think you heard on news or not, that in China, I have seen, I think 1 week or 2 week ago only, in one hotel, uh, robots are delivering the packages. Means now delivery is happened by robots only. So in transportation, also everywhere AI is coming. In agriculture wise, I told already, to find the disease into the crops and all, we are using AI. Again, in education sector, you can see earlier we are using normal offline. Now we came to online. In online also, we have a lots of interactive tools so that we can use. Just a second. Just in education also, if you want to present something, just in single go, we can take the help of AI, just a generative AI, and we can present, we can show simple things in more creative way. E-commerce, you already looking at a recommendation system, just like on Amazon, we are looking, if we are searching anything, it's giving us on the behalf of our choice, it gives us recommendation. In e-commerce, other things also there, just like nowadays, if you are putting a filter, and no, if not filter is come as a normal, but recommendation system comes as a AI implementation. In entertainment, you can see now Hollywood movies and VFX came into the picture, and after to integrating more AI into the VFX, means in entertainment, have you seen that those type of videos, means with the help of generative AI, we are making the videos, means we are just texting, please generate this type of video where mountains will be there along with sea. So it will create that type of video also. Okay. Similarly, in robotics, already AI is there, automotive process. Nowadays, robots are making each and every automation. Means any cars, vehicles, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, any, it is manufactured by robots only mostly. In social media, we discussed Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, data security, and okay. So yeah, m- my perspective is, so you will find in every sector there is a AI. So yes, any point or any input from you? Okay. So yes, AI is now everywhere. Miss you can see here now every developer work is done by AI only. Now any code, anything you will find with the help of AI. Just to write, hey, give me this for this problem, just give me the solution. AI will give you. So here, lots of people have a fear of job. What is your opinion about that? Will AI replicate ourselves and it will reduce our jobs and all or not? Yes, Mohammed. Is AI is impacting our jobs or not? Or if it is impacting, is it good or bad? What is your opinion? AI is good or bad for humans?
Yes, sir. In my opinion, AI is replacing our jobs in the field of um, what to say, in the field of content writing and video generation part, editing part, editors, content writers, and with storytellers. We can simply give a prompt in ChatGPT and it would generate like captivating and most interesting stories for us as well. I can write contents as well. If we give a particular content to be translated into a PDF or a Word, it could give that as well with the help of ChatGPT 4.0. So I think AI is replacing those jobs in that particular categories. Uh, but we also do need a human intervention as well in the futures in terms of AI-based products as well, which means in future we have to actually use that particular AI model as well in various other companies to implement that particular AI. We actually need a human intervention there as well. So that's my
Okay.
opinion.
Okay. So, yes, Mohammed, my question is not, my question is, okay, you told where it is used and how it is replacing our jobs. Tell me, it is good or bad? What is your opinion about good and bad? I'm asking. Is it good or bad? AI is good or bad?
What actually Elon Musk told was that AI will be far more dangerous than nukes. So, in in that particular terms, what he is referring to is that there are various scams and various other face swapping apps which are just swapping various other faces and just giving us some unwanted contents. In that way, it is bad. But in good way, there is also various other good ways as well. In terms that we are coming to learn more about stable diffusion techniques. That way, it is good.
Okay. Yes, Gomti, give your opinion. It's two. My question is two. First is it problem for our jobs? And second question is it good or bad?
I think by the routine task, we can say that AI will free the people from typical responsibilities and to focus on their roles. If it is in complex or strategic and that AI can't handle, at that time it will be bad. I think so.
Okay.
For due to AI, I think they lost jobs if the AI is boom. Most people.
Okay.
Um, and it is a tool, and I can say that it is based on both beneficial and harmful also, depending on how it is developed and how it is used. So it is based to and it I think that it is important to approach AI in the sense with responsibilities and how it is developed and how it is used in the how, in which what manner it is used.
Right. Okay. Anything else?
Mm.
Okay. So yes, your opinion is good. I liked it. Means it should be in right hand. Your first this opinion is right. It should be in right hand. Okay. Why I asked this question? Because next topic is ethical consideration. Means is it good or bad? This question came into this topic. Okay. We will first try to understand. First of all, is it good or bad? It is very subjective thing. What do you mean by subjective thing? Uh, we can't say totally it is bad, and we can't say totally it is a good. This is called a subjective. Means it's a depend upon the situation. If you are talking about who is beyond the whose age is above 40, so for them it is AI is bad. How AI is bad for them? Because he already crossed the age of 40. Now his learning capability is not that much good. Means he is not aware of technology that much as early stage. Means young students are there. So it is, if AI is implementation will be a lot, it will be difficult for them is to learn and for sustaining the job. But again, it will be good for them who is s- good in learning, who is all the time learner. So for them, it will be just like again one more interesting, challenging work. Learn something new and implement so that they will feel good. Miss not a boreas, you can say same repetitive task. They are learning something, then are they are implementing. So it's a subjective. If it is for more than 40 who is not interested in learning, for them it will be very bad, because they will not learn and their job will be in danger. Okay, this is the point of view for learning purpose, for job purpose. Again, just like Muhammad talked about secure privacy concern. Again, yes, suppose AI will be more powerful than us, then it can learn our whole data, you can say privacy data, and it will give us wrong direction. So there may be chance if we don't have rules and regulations. Means what is ethical rules and what should be. Means if you are not teaching the AI systems this is illegal and legal. Means if it is taking all the data. Means suppose whatever chatbot is there, means chat GPT, Bard, or anyone, if you can say CEO of the Google and OpenAI, they are training these model on every person data, then what will happen? Then universe will be in problem. Means ChatGPT can understand my everything. They can give answer according to my personal data on the web, whatever we are searching on mobile, whatever we are doing on the mobile. On behalf of every data, if they are giving us solution, then there may be chance it gives us the right solution and bad solution. So it can affect. Just like I have searched, I'm just like I'm gym guy, and my every routine and everything is known to ChatGPT. If I'm searching, hey, which protein will be good for me, and if it is giving me result output for that, and there may be chance if it is giving me wrong result, so there may be chance that it will affect my health. So yeah, it's all about privacy. If our data means if our model means AI model is trained on the our private data, then it will create a lot of problem. So again, it should be not trained on our, it should not cover our private data. Means its privacy should be mandate for AI. Means AI should not be trained onto those type of data. Okay. So again, so AI is good and bad is subjective. It depends upon situation. Who is not quick learner, who is not skilled. So who is skilled guy? For them it is opportunity. For who don't want to learn, who don't want to update himself, it is bad for them. Their job will gone. Obviously, it will gone. Just like, and obviously this is I'm talking about bad things, and what can be good thing? Think about that. It is improving our efficiency. Earlier, think about that. Just to understand any topic, you have to go for multiple website to understand simple one term. There may be chance you search just like if you have searched anything, you can take just like if I want to suppose I want to understand TB, tuberculosis disease. If I'm searching on Google, there will be lots of website. And suppose if I am searching very specific thing for TV, it, there may be different type of different website. And if we are trying to understand from each website, it will give a lot of different result. So it will be confusion for us. But nowadays, after concluding from all website, it gives the result in ChatGPT. So it is making us efficient. We should not waste our time. Lots of AI tools related to image, videos, text, data, every type of data, we are getting a result in a few seconds. Means we can optimize our daily routine. We can optimize our own work, whatever type of work we are doing. If we are in IT, if we are in any type of organization, we can optimize with the help of AI. So in the term of efficiency, obviously AI is good. It is making us more efficient. So yes, and another thing is we have to understand AI. We have to you have to be able to utilize AI. We should not be dependent on AI. If we will become dependent, then our cognition system is thinking process, thought process, uh, decision making process. This system, if our decision making thought process will be down, means it will, if it is decreasing, then it will be harmful for us. Only we have to utilize AI system. We should not be dependent on to them. Okay, these are the things how it can be good or bad. Okay, now come to the topic ethical consideration. So in ethical consideration, you can see what rules should follow to the AI. Just like whatever regulation is there, whatever privacy means for individual, it should not be trained on individual data, and it should not be trained on biased data. Suppose I'm asking any company data, and it is trained onto that type of data, and it is giving me that type of result, and it is biased toward any particular thing. So it will be there will be problem that. So it should be trained on that type of data which is not biased. Suppose, what do you mean bias? First, I want to clear. If I will give you one example. Suppose you have developed one AI model which is trained on those type of data which have, suppose I'm taking of diabetes example. I have trained my model on the diabetes, how many what are the symptoms in the diabetes, how many patients are there who is that have a diabetes, and these are the symptoms. Okay, in the data set, if our in the data set, if data set have a multi, you can say if we have a, let's say example, 1,000 rows is there. Okay, in 1,000 row of the data, we have a 900 data which have a diabetes, and 100 data which person have don't have a diabetes. So what is your opinion? What model will do? Model will be biased. Means whatever new data we will ask for, if I'm asking, hey, this is the patient, and this here patient data is here, means like his BP and his sugar level, his everything, means whatever his hemoglobin level, his everything level. If I'm giving result, hey, tell me that this person have a diabetes or not. So what is your opinion? Will it give right result? No, because our model is trained on that data which have 900 diabetes patient and 100 only don't have diabetes patient. It is our model is trained on biased data set. It will give a wrong result. Biased means lots of data have a one type of statement, and some of the data have a different type of statement. It's a result. So it will be biased. So our data should be not trained on biased data. Sorry, our model should be not trained on biased data. And yeah, fourth thing is transparency. Obviously, suppose our model is, we have developed model, and AI model are training by his own. It's taking by data by own, and it's training continuously. It doesn't telling us ki how it is training, where for which type of parameter it is training. Then it will create problem. Just like if I'm taking our example, in deep learning, if you're going to understand different type of architecture, just like CNN and all, you will find there is lots of architecture where there only we can see the result. We are not able to understand each and every layer of architecture. So at that time, it is not interpretable. So it will not transparent to us. Means this is common to ethical consideration for AI. Means it should follow. It should be transparent. Whatever model is developed, on which data it is trained, for which architecture it follows, what type of layers it follows. Like, okay. And last one is relevance. Means obviously it should be relative. Means if I am asking about my health, and to ChatGPT, it is giving about different type of result. So it's means most of the output from the AI model should be relevant to whatever I'm asked, whatever input I'm giving. Again, in legal terms, you can say it should follow the governance, confidentiality of the person, liability, accuracy, decision making. So yes, for the AI also, there is a community, means researchers are there. They have some rules and regulation. Means it should not be trained onto these things. It should not work in this way. So there is a legal body who controls these things. Okay. So I think so today, I think it's enough for today. So what we understood today, why, means what is the importance of AI, what is AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is generative AI. Then we try to understand on the behalf of capability, what is ANI, what is AGI, what is ASI. After that, we understood what is the history of AI, when it was started, and what is the status of now. After that, we covered application where AI can be used, where already we are using AI in a daily life or every sector of the industry. And after that, we are understanding, is AI is good, bad, or what are the ethical consideration, what are the legal bodies or what are the rules regulation to train any AI model and all. Okay, so this is a introductory class. So I think you understood little bit about AI. So in next class we will go ahead for with the help of you can say Python classes and all. Or else no no for tomorrow first half means for 1 hour we will go into depth for classification of AI, means type of AI, means machine, what are the types, just like machine learning, deep learning. In the machine learning again, what are the types? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning. After that, we will try to conclude some more related to AI. Then we will go to the for Python. So okay, any question till now? Sorry. Yes, Mohammed, any question or anything you want to add or you want to ask?
No, sir, everything is fine.
Okay. So from tomorrow we will go into more depth for machine learning. And what about Gomti? Do you have any question or any suggestion or anything? Just tell me. And if you are not understanding anything, just like let me know what possible way, because yeah, whatever way I am teaching, I am considering you are from IT background, so little bit understanding you have on the behalf of that I'm telling. If you don't know, I will go into more precise way. Means I will pick one term and I will try to define this way. Because I have already asked some questions related to it, and you answered properly. So I'm thinking I should go with flow so that you can implement more AI, not to just for conceptual part. Okay. So Gomti, is it okay, or do you want to say
Yeah,
something?
okay, sir. I don't have any doubts.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we can close for today. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.